India's sensational weightlifter from Manipur, Mirabai Chanu, bagged the silver medal at the Tokyo Olympics. Psycho Mirabai Chanu, the girl from the East Impal district of Manipur, scripted history as she won the silver medal in the women's 49 kg weightlifting event at the Tokyo Olympics. She is the champion female weightlifter who has made her nation proud with the total weightlifting of 202 kgs, which is 4 times more than her body weight, to claim the second position, leaving behind her fierce competitors. Here is a small tribute to her great achievement. Her story is an inspiration for many and speaks of the remarkable rise in her life. As a kid, she used to lift heavy firewood which her brother 4 years elder to her failed to do. Due to those travels with firewood on her shoulder, she now lifts the heaviest of weights to elevate her position at an international competition. A regular presence in international events since 2014, in the 48 kg category, Chanu has won the World Championships and multiple medals at Commonwealth Games. Chanu had won the silver medal in the women's 48 kg weight class at the 2014 Commonwealth Games, Glasgow. She went on to break the games record to enroute the gold medal at 2018 edition of the event held in Gold Coast. Her biggest achievements came in 2017 when she won the gold medal at World Weightlifting Championships. The endearing smile on Mirabai Chanu's face will be etched in all our minds forever, but only a few will know the pain that she has had to endure. Her silver medal efforts in the women's 49 kg class weightlifting competition in the Tokyo Olympics is happy culmination of a journey punctuated by a range of pain, including physical and emotional. The 26 years old has to overcome the trauma of registering a no lift in the Olympic Games in 2016 and the disappointment of missing the Asian Games due to an injury, with total weight lifts of 203 kgs, including 87 kg in snatch and 115 kg in clean and jerk. She earned herself the Olympic Games silver medal, a just reward for the sacrifices she has made in her quest. Chanu was felicitated by the Chief Minister of Manipur, N. Biren Singh, who presented her with a cash prize of 2 million. She received India's highest civilian sports honor, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna, for 2018. In 2018, Chanu was awarded with the Padma Shri by the Government of India. In 2019, she won gold at Quarter International Cup after lifting 194 kgs. Chanu has secured the silver medal in 2020 Tokyo Olympics for women's 49 kg weightlifting. Mirabai Chanu on Saturday won a silver medal in the women's 49 kg weightlifting competition to open India's counter at the Tokyo 2020 Olympics. The Manipur athlete lifted a total weight of 202 kgs to win the medal. It feels proud to be a woman. She is a great inspiration to many Indians. We feel proud. Jai Hind. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Also follow us on our Instagram page, Video by InfoQuick 365.